Yawning isn't just because you're tired. You yawn when you're bored, sleepy, or even when someone else yawns. But why? Scientists believe yawning actually helps cool your brain. When you open your mouth wide and take a deep breath, it increases blood flow and brings cooler air into your body. This helps regulate brain temperature and boosts alertness. That's why you yawn before sleep, after waking up, or during long, boring tasks. And yes, yawning is contagious because your brain is wired for empathy. Try not to yawn right now. Did this make you yawn? Comment below.